What's up, guys? Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys the Pledge of Allegiance for two reasons. One, you always need to know the Pledge of Allegiance, and you do it often, so yeah. Second, if you are getting your sign language badge in American Heritage Girls, then you need to know the Pledge of Allegiance in ASL. So, okay, so everyone knows it. So it's I pledge, which is promise, pledge of allegiance, or ally, allegiance, to the flag. So flat, to the flag of the United, so U, States, S, of America. Take your hands. America. And to the Republic, so to remind, for which it stands. So for which it stands, one nation, so it's a U, but I guess it's counts as an N. Nation, under, so A, under, God, individual, take your hands together like this, individual, with liberty, so liberty and justice for all. Sorry. I want to take it step by step. I seem to forget the words. Okay, so let's put it all together. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Bam. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.